Hello, college school student. Today I would like to spend a little bit of time to just go, over how to navigate our course. I'm hoping that everybody has already logged into Canvas. If not, always remember on the main web page, you will find all the applicable icons for either your student email, your PiratesNet student account, your Starfish account, which we will discuss later, and then also your Canvas account. Just a quick note, Canvas, as well as your student email and Starfish, and possibly some financial aid stuff, we are using a single sign-on. So once you are signed into your student email, you could go back and forth between Canvas, Starfish, and those financial aid files. But as you log into Canvas with your student email information, you'll go ahead and click on our course. This is our introduction page. Please go ahead and check out the video. And then on your left-hand corner, you'll see the modules section. Click here, and you will be able to see the introduction module. Okay, this is going to be really important because I do want you to go through this. Okay, you do have to complete all items before you can proceed. Okay, general information about myself. Just a welcome to the College Skills class for this fall semester. I have some information about office hours. I have my course list syllabus listed on here, as well as a small quiz that you do need to take. Anytime you see a quiz or an assignment, I want you to be mindful of the date that is listed there, as well as any other indication. Um, we have the course description, MJC catalog information. You'll also find some important dates for either dropping the course or just anything in general about the class. Okay, I do have a section on online course participation. I want you to be mindful of that. This is a fully online course. We do not have a session where we would be all meeting as a group. So a lot of our interaction will be done through assignments and also the discussions, okay? And also video discussions. I have a student information survey. This is really helpful for me because it gives me an opportunity to get to know a little bit about you and see if I could assist in any resource that I could provide for our class. This is due August 28th. Just be mindful of checking the dates in any assignment. Just some simple things that I have listed for the class. There is a discussion assignment where I do want you to introduce yourself to the class. Okay. I've listed these two resources, First Day of College Survival Tip and all MJC resources. Those are going to be two important pages that I want you to just have on your side. Okay. Whether this is your first semester at MJC or whether you've been here, please understand that this is a very unique semester given that all of us are fully online. And so there's a lot of great resources in both pages, so check them out. Okay. We do have a College Skills 100 open discussion and Q&As. Okay, this is an opportunity for you to ask any questions regarding the class that might be geared towards, some of the assignments. If you just want to connect with some of your classmates there regarding the class, you could go ahead and do so. I monitor this discussion, but it's open for everybody. And then we have a student lounge, and this is where you could go ahead and ask any question, post anything that might, be going on in your life, whatever it might be. This is just an open student lounge where you could come and share anything that you might, have going on, or anything related to MJC. Okay. From there, as you finish this first module, you'll go ahead and have access to our textbook. This is a link that I've included to Google Slides that has all of the chapter textbooks, and you'll be able to access them through there. That is for your record. All of the chapter material is going to be embedded into the modules. Okay, so here we have our week 1 module that opens up today, and it's available for the week of Monday the 24th until Friday the 28th. Always just to kind of just generalize yourself as to how our class is going to be conducted. The module will be open for the week on Monday. In general, all assignments are due on Sunday, with the exception of some that are going to be due this this coming Friday, but it's more for my report and keeping track of who is actively participating and who is in my class. But in general, all assignments are due on Sunday night. So every week you'll have an objectives page. That's where I'll put some information about the week's topic and just share some words with you. Also on there, you'll be able to see a timetable with assignments. This helps you keep track of what is due that week. Okay, so be mindful of that. In general, I also post videos on here that are going to help you with the themes. Okay, and as I mentioned, because we do not have a a time where we all meet together, this class is going to be basically conducted on which you would go through the material on your own and have it be applied into the assignments and to the discussions. Okay, so we do have some PowerPoint slides that will be available for every chapter, and then you'll also see the chapter embedded into the module. Okay, then you'll see your assignments. Under your assignments, you'll be able to see the due date and the points for the assignment. And as you go through the module, you'll see the end of the week. That's just the wrapping up section of the module. And that should be it for the week. Okay. Our class is fairly manageable and comprehensive. It shouldn't be too much of a load. Okay. Because it is a fully online class, that means that you take it on at your desired time. Okay. But just make sure that there is deadlines for each assignment. Okay. In general, every Sunday night. Okay. And then you'll be able to see just the modules. I don't want to open them up because this is a responsive class. This is one of 10 sections being taught this fall semester. And so there's a lot of things that get moved around because we might have guest speakers, joining us to take on a specific theme of the class. And so we might have to switch some things around. But in general, if you're able to just, familiarize yourself with just the fact that the module opens up Monday night and assignments are due the following Sunday night. Okay. So just some quick overview of how to get started. I do want to encourage you to go ahead and as you click on the icon on the left-hand side, you're able to update your profile. Okay, this is a test student. I don't have access to that, but I would want you to go ahead and try out updating your profile. Okay, if possible, maybe uploading a picture. That helps us professors out a lot because we're able to at least, put a face to a name. The other thing that I do want to go ahead and encourage, and it's going to be part of one of your surveys here, is the name coach. This helps you record your name. And again, because this is a test student, I don't have access to this, but it gives you access to record your name, and it's good because it's a way for us professors to hear what the proper pronunciation is. Okay. But overall, fairly simple, fairly manageable. I'm hoping that this is a module that flows easily. And again, I welcome you to my class. You have all my contact information. Please reach out to me if something's not making sense. This is my second semester teaching online, and I'll let you know that there is always something that might come up. It's a learning experience every day, so bear with me. I'm hoping you enjoyed the class, and I'm looking forward to meeting you.